Here we go, Maze, on the quest.
Here we go. Backwards.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
There's Boomerang.
Right at the front as well, best seat in the
Yeah, I know, front row seat. I'm lucky on this one. And that sun is out now. Oh, it is quite high. Here we go. Way! Woo! Oh, yes! Woo! Here we go. All the way up. Oh, I'm back. Nice chilled out one.
Very relaxed.
How relaxing. Especially on the way back as well.
Yeah.
Well, that was a nice little one on the quest.
That was a very enjoyable ride.